Are you looking for human design software that's simple, clear, and easy for you or your clients to use? I'm Karen Curry Parker, creator of Quantum Human Design and author of the Encyclopedia of Quantum Human Design. For the last year, my team and I have had our heads down creating a new way for you to run charts that's clear, easy, uses our gorgeous graphics, and integrates traditional human design and the quantum human design high frequency language. This new chart generating software makes it simple for you to give your clients a clean chart that isn't cluttered with information that distracts them from the power of the information you want to share with them. The language used in quantum human design is scientifically tested to give clients a high frequency way of understanding their human design. This language literally seeds a new story for your clients that makes it easier for them to remember who they are and why they're here. No more negative labels that feel constricted or limiting. If you're a human design professional or someone who loves and uses human design, you need software that supports you with helping people connect with their true selves and the power of the knowledge and the wisdom that you bring them. You need software that's clear and doesn't overwhelm your client or cause them to ask questions that aren't really related to what you want to share with them during a reading. Not only does our new quantum human design software platform include our graphics and our language, it's now very mobile friendly with a beautiful mobile optimized platform, making it easy for you to run charts on the go. You can even send charts to clients from your phone. It's great for expos or if you're hosting quantum human design parties as a way of getting new readings. You can also now embed the software on your website, giving you a way to attract new clients and leads and giving your website a much more professional look and feel. No more sending clients somewhere else to go run a chart. This software lets you create laser-focused reports and get only the information you need on a chart. You'll also have the ability to run reports and sell them as low-cost products from your website. In addition, your clients can access their chart with a link. No more downloading the chart to save it. The new software is simple, clean, elegant, and good for your business growth. So whether you're a human design professional or someone who loves to share human design with others, our new software is simple, elegant, and easy to use. It's also on sale for 33% off from March 15th to the 31st. Click the link below and use the coupon code QHD2023 to receive the 33% discount. I can't wait for you to use this new tool to help you share quantum human design to serve your clients better and to grow your practice.